Hi everyone, this is Akash and we are doing the task 9.2D of SIT 772. In this task, we are required to create an HTML page so that the records that are inserted into HTML page get inserted into a database. We'll be using XAMPP and PHP to do this task. First of all, we have to install XAMPP, which enables you to access these start these Apache and MySQL servers. As soon as you start the servers, you can visit localhost. Once you visit localhost, you'll get an interface like this. Then you have to go to phpMyAdmin in order to make changes to your database, create databases, create tables, etc. So as you can see, this is the database that I have created. The name is XAMPP, and I have also created a table which goes by the name users. And this is the HTML page that I've created. Here we have to fill our details such as user ID, first name, last name, email, password, and country. So the idea behind this is I had done my 7.2 task with Skyscanner, and Skyscanner, the first table which we made was users. So Skyscanner needs user data in order to process. So hence this HTML page, and we've used PHP as well as HTML. the HTML is, the HTML code is pretty simple. We have used Bootstrap to style our web page. You can also use CSS, but I like Bootstrap more. As you can see here, we have a form tag where action is insert.php and method is post. So all the data, as soon as you press the submit button, all the data which is filled in the HTML form goes to the insert.php. So here we have insert.php. These 4 lines are just a declaration of variables in order to connect to database. So this MySQL object, it requires these 4 things, which is username, server name, password, and database name. I had shown you, the database name is Sam, which I have created in the phpMyAdmin. Now, if after the database gets connected, this con variable will have a MySQL object. Now, if this con variable is connected, if it gives a connection error, then this die function will terminate the script and display this message which is connection failed, and this will fetch the actual error message. Else it will echo connected successfully. Then we have this if statement, which is the major part of this code. Here we can see as soon as we press the submit button, the post variable is an array that contains the data submitted to the form. So user ID, we can access the array in such a way, such as user ID will, to access user ID we can use post user ID with these brackets. Now this SQL variable is the query which we have to insert into the database. So insert into the table name, which is users, the user ID, first name, last name, email, password, and country, and then the values which we have just received from HTML page using post. Now as soon as this happens, again this con query function, it executes the specified SQL statement, and if it is true, then user record inserted successfully will be shown, otherwise the error message will be shown. Now I'll show you how to do this. So we'll be using a new set of records. Suppose 0007, first name is James, last name is Bond, james.bond at gmail.com, password is james007, country is UK. As soon as you press the submit button, we get connected successfully, user record inserted successfully. To access that user record, we need to go to this localhost phpMyAdmin and then click on the so as you can see, the first row is the one which we inserted right now. That's all from my side. Thank you.